In today's episode, we break down the thought chant into individual Sanskrit terms with corresponding translations in Tibetan, Chinese, and English. At the end of the video, we chant the chant twice. I also try to incorporate a little bit of what I know of Anuswara in Sanskrit, which means after sound. And it appears as a dot above the M or underneath the M. Atitam, past. Subhuti, addressing Subhuti, who is one of Buddha's chief disciple. The technical term here is vocative case in Sanskrit. Chittam, mind or thought. Nopalabhyate consists of two words, na and upalabhyate. A and U combines into O. Na means not, upalabhyate means apprehensible. Anagatam, future. Pratyutpannam, present. Atitam subhute chittan no palabhyate, anagatan chittan no palabhyate, pratyupannan chittan no palabhyate. Atitam subhute chittan no palabhyate, anagatan chittan no palabhyate, pratyupannan chittan no palabhyate.